Hello student, please subscribe my channel if you like my video. We are discussing ionic equilibrium. pH is approximately 7, or you can say 7 solution will be neutral. So which salt solution will be neutral? This is ammonium formate, this is ammonium carbonate, sodium acetate and ammonium acetate. So I selected ammonium acetate. Why I selected ammonium acetate? Because here extent of hydrolysis of both of them are equal. Okay, salt, and secondly they are salt of weak acid and weak base, so roughly they are equal to H ion concentration equal to OH negative ion concentration, so it will form neutral solution, that is pH equal to approximately 7. Okay, nearby 7. So we are selecting this, but different type of question can be twisted here. If they will ask slightly acidic, so SCONH4 will be slightly acidic. Why? Because this is also salt of weak acid and weak base. But here see why I am saying slightly acidic, because when it is ionized SCO negative plus ammonium ion, that is formate ion, and ammonium ion is formed by the ammonium formate. At that moment we will see that extent of hydrolysis of ammonium will be more. Ammonium is the conjugate acid of ammonia, so we will get conjugate acid base here only. So ammonium when react with water, it will discharge H positive and form ammonia, and hydronium ion is obtained. So here a little bit more hydronium ion is obtained, because it is more hydrolysis will be of more extent. We can say that Ka will be greater than Ka. Okay, so if Ka is more than Kb, that is acid dissociation constant more, so the solution will be acidic, more acidic than base, but weakly. More acidic means comparing acidic basic, but it is both of them are weakly, so weakly acidic in nature. Clear? Here, see here SCO negative water, it will give you SCOH and OH negative, and again this SCOH react with water and will form hydronium ion. Okay, and here NH41 positive plus H2, again it is giving you NH3 plus hydronium ion. So extent of this hydronium ion will be more, so it will be slightly acidic. Okay, now ammonium carbonate and is weakly basic. Why it is so? The same way we will discuss over here, but here they have given Ka and Kb value. If Ka and Kb value is given, so we have to see which is having larger value. If Kb is slightly larger, so solution will be acidic or basic. If Kb is larger, so solution will be basic. If Ka value lower than the Kb value, Ka value lower than Kb value, then or it will